Today, we're excited to share the installation of soundproofing at our dealership. Let's get started. We had a Perodua Canary come in for the installation of roof and under-wiper soundproofing materials. The customer wanted to reduce engine and rain noise inside the car. Based on their budget, we recommended AutoFun products. For the roof, we applied AutoFun EX4 as the first layer. This material absorbs vibration noise, particularly noticeable during rain. As the second layer on the roof, we used AutoFun Sim A4 noise absorber. This material not only absorbs noise, but also helps in reducing heat in the car cabin during sunny days. On the area under the wipers, we applied AutoFun M3 vibration damper to absorb engine noise from entering the cabin. This provides a more comfortable driving experience for our customer. For further details regarding soundproof installation, feel free to reach out to us.
For more information, contact our admin.